Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a skin kit designed to personalize and protect your Amazon Fire TV Cube and its remote. This isn't the actual Fire TV Cube itself, just to be clear, but a vinyl wrap designed to give it a unique look. The specific design we're checking out is a rough marble gray, red, blue granite pattern. It's definitely eye-catching and offers a way to move away from the standard black box aesthetic. If you're tired of your tech blending into the background, this could be a fun way to make it stand out. The skin itself is matte laminated, which is a nice touch. This lamination adds a layer of protection against minor scratches, which is always a plus, especially for something that sits out in the open. It also gives the skin a nice feel. The printing quality seems to be quite good. The colors are rich and vibrant, and the marble pattern is well defined. It doesn't look pixelated or cheap, which is a common concern with vinyl wraps. One of the most important aspects of any skin is how easy it is to apply and remove. This skin uses a removable vinyl, which means it shouldn't leave any sticky residue behind when you decide to take it off. This is crucial because nobody wants to deal with a gooey mess on their devices. The product description also states that applying the skin will not void your warranty, which is reassuring. Ultimately, this skin kit is all about personalization. It allows you to customize your Fire TV Cube and remote to match your style and preferences. If you're looking for a way to add a unique touch to your entertainment setup, this skin is definitely worth considering. The marble design is stylish, the matte lamination adds protection, and the removable vinyl ensures a hassle-free experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.